Gold stayed bullish yesterday again and delivered higher highs and record highs level at 2152 levels. Today again it has started the day on a slightly bullish note. So can we expect it to rise more? Can we expect it to move towards 2159 and 2170 levels, or there is a possibility of a reversal and retracement? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session and before the major news coming in from the US. So do watch that as well. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Do like, share and comment. Let's start first to look into hourly charts, and yes, do join the channel membership here on YouTube and support the effort. Now first let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts we can find out, see, gold tried hard to break beyond 2152 zone. You can see double top levels as well, and it is definitely proving out to be a good resistance for gold to break past by. Thus I will wait for today for it to break beyond 2154. If you see gold is staying above 2154, you can initiate a buying position for 2159 levels, 2158.5, 59 levels, and then beyond that. In fact, look at the channel here. This is a channel in which it is trading, and it is almost appearing to achieve the highs of this channel. Where are the highs of this channel? It is almost situated at around 2180. But right now if you look at on the hourly charts, definitely it is getting a good resistance here. Next is, if you look at consistently higher lows are getting delivered and it is trying to squeeze out. A possible drop first below 2144 and then below 2140 is where we can say now the bears might try to take, and a down move can be seen, else it is still not to be treated bearish here. If you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable here. The MACD is also comfortable. It is now trading with very minimal divergence. It is trying to cross over. A crossover may lead to bearishness, but right now it is still in green. RSI is just staying near to overbought levels. Coming to 2 hours. Now look at 2 hour charts. See, first of all, one greener candle, couple of retracement candle, again a greener candle, and both the candles delivering higher lows, and the highs here are intact. You can see that it is placed beautifully at 2152 levels, which is definitely proving out to be a greater resistance for gold to break past by. So this is something you should note. Also, the divergence of the price from the moving average 2135 is where you can see the 20 period moving average is lying. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, you will find higher lows, higher highs. Now remember, 20 period moving average and the lower end of this channel is somewhere at around 2135-34 levels. So this is going to be an achievable level as well, because you can see this move, second bounce, and achieving the third top, it can try to move towards this level. Next is only and only if you see gold staying below 2125, you can say that it has turned bearish, else it is not to be treated bearish for the day. Stochastic near to overbought. Look at MACD. This is trading with very minimal divergence. It is still in green. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 3 hour chart, look at 3 hour charts here. See, first of all, there is a resistance which is seen at around 2150-52 zone. You can look at these 4 candles, but look at the last 2 candles increasing in body, and we have to now wait for it to break at least below 2144.45 and then 2140.38 in order to confirm further drop here. Right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. It is still in the consolidation levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD. It is trading with very minimal divergence, though it is in red, but it is almost running flat. It needs to deliver. We need to see a greater divergent candle or a stronger bearish candle in order for gold to stay bearish, and then we can look forward to a fall from here. But if you look at the MACD, yes, MACD has seen a good highs here at plus 20 levels. There's a little retracement on the downside has to be there. RSI is extremely overbought on the 3 hour charts. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. Higher highs and almost double top levels are seen where this candle closes, and from where the next candle starts, that is going to be watched out for. A break below 2144 and then 2140.38 zone is where we can say now it is trying to turn bearish. Look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now the 20 period moving average sitting at around 2120, too far from the current levels, but these are achievable levels. The sharper the rise, the sharper can be the drop. Though right now, first thing is it has to come out of this channel, which is now bottomed at around 2135, and thus it is very important for gold to drop below these levels here. And if it does stay below this, you can say now the bears will try to take over. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, and if you look at RSI is staying extremely overbought. Coming to daily, also remember the labor cost data from US and the non-farm productivity cost from the US is going to get released before the US session and may bring volatility as well. This is because the labor costs are definitely associated with how the production cost in gold as well as the inflation will rise. So that is what the markets watch does will carry an impact for sure. So now look at the daily chart. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 38th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Learn the trade setups, the strategies and the tools which can help you identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. And if you just want to trade as per my signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. For any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. Both the contact details are shared in the channel and video description. Next is do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And the last is you have asked me to recommend a trustworthy broker which is safe, secure, available across world and which offers swap-free account with lowest spreads. You can find the link of the broker in the channel and video description as well. Now look at the daily charts. See, interestingly on the daily charts, we have seen now gold hitting double top levels. And this is very, very important for gold now to break past beyond 2052-54 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance. If at any point of time gold stays above 2054, you can say now the bulls are back and we can look forward to higher highs towards 2059. 2058 levels first target, and beyond that it can in fact achieve 2159, 2158, and beyond that in fact we can look forward to 2170. That is the first part to it. Next is, see, since it has formed a double top and if you see it is staying below 2144, we can say now 2140 is going to remain the 2140, 2138 is going to remain the first support levels, and if it breaks below 2140, 2138 zone, we can look forward to 2130 as the next target, and a symmetrical candle can be expected where it can try to achieve the lows close to 2130, 2125, and any move below 2125 is where the bears will be seen. Now look, three bullish candles are seen, though yesterday's candle also carried a increasing body is suggestive of bullishness. Where are the highs? Well above 2185. So something on the upside, a breakout is going to be strong as well, thus you need to be cautious of. Right now the prices are divergent from the moving average and the moving averages have started to look upwards. Again a bullish sign. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought as well. Considering this, a buy at 2154 levels, expect 2158-59 as the first target, 2170 as the support, at 2163 can be seen, but beyond that we can look forward to in fact 2170 and 2180-85 zone as well. Yes, beyond 2154 stay bullish. On the downside, a selling entry, as I said, below 2144 can be taken, 2140-38 as the first target, 2135-34 as the next, and then below that 2130. If it breaks below 2130, certainly you can say that the bears will take over and further drop can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch signals channel. Reach out to me for more queries. And do join the free Telegram channel. Do watch the next update before the US session as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.